Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you after creating a sales quotation and converting it to order confirmation. If you want to make any changes in sales quotation or if you want to cancel sales quotation, how you can do it. So first of all, let us go to our quotation module. On your left hand side, you will see quotation module. Click on this. Now, this is one of the sales quotation which have been converted into order confirmation. Let me open it and show you. So I will open this sales quotation. Please check on your right hand side. You will see that view created OC. That means this particular sales quotation have been converted into order confirmation. Now I want to cancel this sales quotation. How I can do it? So I am unable to see any cancel option here as because the order confirmation have been created. So it is not coming. So you need to click on view created OC and then you need to go in other action. Here you need to cancel this order confirmation. So once you will cancel this and I will go back to my quotation module. So I will open this particular quotation again. Now please check here. You will see cancel quotation option. So do remember that if any order confirmation have been generated from sales quotation, cancel option will not come. You need to first cancel the order confirmation. Then you may be able to cancel the quotation. So I will click on this cancel quotation. It will ask for the confirmation. I will click on yes, cancel. And please check this particular sales quotation have been cancelled. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.